What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. By the way, my name is Abakar Abakari and I hope you subscribe to my channel. So today in this tutorial video, what I'm going to be talking about in this video tutorial today is the JvZoo affiliate network, which is one of the pretty good affiliate network with high commission rates for publishers and is flexible to use, easy to use, and they approve offers pretty quick, and they have high commission rates for affiliates publishers on this JvZoo affiliate network. So today I'm going to show you how you can create, set up, and also earn money online with this JvZoo affiliate network as a publisher. So you follow me on this video. I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to create, set up, and also make money online with this JvZoo affiliate network. And do like and subscribe to this channel if you find out this video really interesting. So let's get it done. So the first thing first you need to do is to go and create a free account with JvZoo affiliate network. As you can see, I've already have account with JvZoo, but we are going to log out. I'm going to log out. So that's the first thing you need to do, is to create a free account with this JvZoo affiliate network. If you don't have account with them, you go to sign up. If you go to sign up, you fill in your details. You put your name, your first name, your surname, your email address. So you follow the procedure. After then, you will be sent a verification link in which you verify your account. So you put your full name, your nationality, your country. After then, you verify your account. Then you select a way to get paid, and you put the recommended tools that you use in promoting their offers on this JvZoo affiliate network. So I've already have account with them. So I'm going to log in and show you guys how the JvZoo affiliate network works. So here we are. This is my personal JvZoo account that I registered with them, and I've applied for some offers and they have approved some of my offers. So this is the JvZoo affiliate network. With JvZoo you can promote offers as a publisher and earn per sale that you generate through your link that you shared on your Twitter handle, your Facebook account, your Instagram, your YouTube channel. So you will be paid commission for a sale that you generate, which is ranging from $1, $2, $3, or more than that. And here you see the clicks that you got from the link that you shared as an affiliate. You see the clicks that you got on this JvZoo affiliate network, and you see the people that use the link that you shared, and you see the sales that you generate and your commission. So let me show you my approved offers. So once you sign up, you create your account, and you have been approved to start promoting offers on this JvZoo affiliate network. You go and apply for offers. You go to find product, you click on affiliate, you go to find products. As for beginner, you click on affiliate and go to find product. There are a lot of products that you can promote worldwide as an affiliate publisher. There are a lot of offers that you can promote. So far as you can generate a sale, you can earn $1 to $3 or more than that on this JvZoo affiliate network. So all these are the products that you can promote. So if you want to apply for offer, you go to and click on request approval. Once you click on request approval, you explain to them how you intend to promote their offers. You explain to them how you intend to promote their offers, and you click on request approval. So then you wait for approval. So if you can convince them that you can promote their offers diligently, they will approve your offers. As you can see, some of my offers has been approved. This offer has been approved, video maker effects. So once your offer has been approved, you go to get link. You click on get link. Once you click on get link, you will see the affiliate link, the unique traffic link that you have been issued. So you copy this traffic link. This will enable the advertiser to know that you are the one that promoted his offer. So you copy the traffic link and go and paste it on your Twitter handle, your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube channel. You paste it there, and here you see the amount that you earn from each offer, ranging from $1 to $2 or more than that, exchange per click. And some offers you get 50% of the sale that you generate. If a product is worth $49, like for this product, you earn 20%, 50% of it, that is $20 for it. So as you can see, it's pretty much good affiliate network to work with. So if you don't have a JvZoo account, you rush and quickly get a JvZoo account and create a free account with JvZoo and start promoting their offers. So I hope you enjoy this video, and you can also advertise your product here as a seller on this JvZoo affiliate network. You can advertise your products on this JvZoo affiliate network. I hope you find this video very interesting, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel in order to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you. Till we see you in my next video, and goodbye.